If you've been begging your hair to grow, but it's just not listening, or have tried so many hair growth methods you see online, yet your hair still looks the same, don't worry, I've got you. Hey cutie pies, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing some hair growth tips to take your hair from this to this. And I know you might be thinking, but that's genetics. No, there are other factors that play a role in having these long, luscious hairs, and after weeks of research, I'm here to share those factors with you, so you too can have long, beautiful hair. Make sure you watch to the end because I'll be sharing everyday habits to grow your hair faster. But before we get into these hair growth tips, let's talk about why your hair isn't growing fast. Number 1, you're not locking in that moisture. You might be putting stuff on your hair, but if you're not actually sealing it in, it's just drying right back out. 2, you are applying too much heat and chemicals on your hair, so your hair is fighting for its life. 3, you don't eat the right foods that will give nutrients to your scalp. And 4, your hair is growing, but it keeps breaking off. Now that we've established some of the reasons why your hair isn't growing, let's talk about ways you can grow your hair fast. Let's start with something everyone has at home, hair oils. Oil your ends with hair oil. Hair oil is like a protective jacket for your hair. It keeps everything locked in and moisturized. Just take a little and apply it to your ends every day so they don't dry out and snap off. Don't put it on your scalp though. Don't worry, we'll talk about the scalp later. For now, just focus on the ends since that's where your hair is the weakest and most likely to break. As for your scalp, massage it with warm olive oil or coconut oil to wake up your hair follicles, and don't do this every day so you don't get buildup. Next is moisturize your scalp. Bestie, a dry scalp is a no-no if you want healthy hair. You need to keep that scalp moisturized if you want your hair to grow, and a leave-in conditioner is perfect for that. Just use it like every 3 days. It keeps your hair super hydrated, adds shine, and makes your strands way healthier. Plus, it helps you keep your lengths because your hair won't be breaking off as much. Next up, rice water rinse. Girl, rice water is like a straight-up hair growth potion. For real. It's loaded with all the good stuff like amino acids, B vitamins, and vitamin E to make your hair long and shiny. If your hair's feeling weak or looking dull, rice water will have it thick, strong, and glowing, as long as you stay consistent, of course. Here's how to make rice water for super hair growth. Rinse half a cup of rice thoroughly and soak it in 2 cups of water. Leave it for 24 to 48 hours to ferment. If you don't want it to stay that long, then 5 hours is fine too. Strain it and store it in a spray bottle in the fridge for up to a week. Add orange peels or lavender oil to make it smell better. How often should you use it? 2 to 3 times a week is okay, but if your hair starts feeling dry, reduce to once a week and always moisturize after. Next, DIY hair mask. Babe, you need to start using a hair mask once a week. Trust me on this. It's like a deep drink of water for your hair. It adds moisture from the inside out, which helps keep your hair strong, healthy, and way less prone to breakage. Think of it like self-care, but for your hair strands. Here's a DIY hair mask you can try. Mix up 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon olive oil together. Apply it from scalp to ends and leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse. Your hair will feel so soft, and soft hair equals less breakage, which equals more length. Okay girl, lay off the heat if you want to keep your hair healthy. Like, I know the urge to straighten or curl is real, but try to only do it like once every 2 weeks, and never without heat protectant spray, alright? Also, don't skip trims. Just a little trim every 6 months will keep your ends looking fresh. Now, let's move on to what we've all been waiting for, daily habits for faster hair growth. Flip your head upside down for 4 to 5 minutes daily while massaging your scalp. This increases blood flow to your scalp, which supercharges hair growth. Avoid tight hairstyles like ponytails and buns because they can cause hair breakage. Eat more hair-boosting foods like eggs, nuts, avocados, salmon, spinach, and berries. Use satin pillowcases to retain those lengths and make sure to get enough sleep because growth hormones are extreme at night. Growing long, healthy hair isn't magic. It takes time, care, and consistency. Stick to these tips, and in a few months, you'll be loving your hair. If you love these hair tips, like and subscribe to join our Glow Up community. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest hair struggle? See you in my next video, bye.